Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Neha. I'm a travel and lifestyle vlogger, and if you're new here, please subscribe. As per the recent directive by the Ministry of Civil Aviation in India, domestic flights are now operational, and it has become easy for people to travel across different cities since past 3 weeks now. Now, although this is a very good news for avid travelers, especially for people who wanted to travel back to their hometown and also for those who wanted to take up those important business trips, but at the same time, keeping in mind the rising number of coronavirus cases in India, it is imperative that the whole idea of social distancing must be implemented throughout the flying journey. And in addition to this, there are certain guidelines and rules which have been issued by the Ministry of Civil Aviation and the Delhi Airports Authority, which you must keep in mind while traveling. So in this video, I will be talking about these guidelines. Stay tuned. So the first step is web check-in. It is important that you do web check-in at home few hours before your flight, and either you can take a print of the document along with you or you can keep it safe in your mobile phone handy at all the time. So once you're done with your web check-in and you head to the airport, you can spot a fly and scan counter just right outside the entrance of the airport. And at this counter, you have to place your document, which will have the barcode on it, or you can even see the barcode on the document saved on your mobile handset. What you do, once you scan the barcode on the scanner of this counter, this machine will give you a boarding pass, which is valid for your flight journey. Once you have your boarding pass available, you can move ahead and check the gate which has been designated for your flight. Vistara, Indigo, Jet Airways, and many other options you can easily find. Once this is done, then you can move ahead to the baggage sanitization zone. It is important that you should have just one cabin bag and one check-in bags, and these bags need to be placed properly at the baggage sanitization zone, which ensures that no germs are there on the bag while you're flying. This enhances your safety experience at the flight. You can now move towards the airport premises, and just right outside the entrance you can see a security personnel behind a glass shield who will check your ID proof and your boarding pass. Once the documents have been properly checked, you're allowed to go inside the premises. Once you go inside the premises, you will be checked for temperature under a thermal screening process. And if you do not fall within a prescribed limit of temperature, then there is a possibility that you can be denied to walk inside the airport. It is also very important to use Aarogya Setu app, as this will be asked during the thermal screening stage, and it is generally done to declare that you do not have any symptom of COVID-19 disease, and at the same time you do not belong to a containment area which has been marked as red. In case you show any symptoms of COVID-19, then you will not be allowed to board the flight. And in case you do not have access to Aarogya Setu app, then you can also use a self-declaration form. If you're not carrying one, then you can ask one of the personnel at the airport to help you out. Now once you're inside the airport, you can move straight to the check-in counters to drop your bag. You can easily observe contactless interaction of the staff and passengers. All you have to do is to walk up to your check-in counter and drop your bags, and then you can move straight to the security gate. It is observed that all the check-in counters at Delhi Airport are deeply sanitized, and the air you breathe at the airport is one of the purest because of the high-tech system which is being used at the airport. During the security check process, it is very important to maintain a social distance of up to 2 meters, and in the queues you can easily observe social distance marks which is being done by the Delhi Airports Authority to ensure the healthy distance between passengers. Also, at this point of time, there is no body frisking done during the security check process. It is advisable to reach at least 2 to 3 hours at the airport ahead of your journey so that you have enough time to complete the security check process. And once you're done with this stage, then you can head straight to the boarding. At the boarding gate, all passengers are required to collect the safety kit from the aircraft, and it generally contains a 3-layered mask along with a sanitizer. So this is done to ensure that you properly sanitize your hands and wear the mask before you board the flight. And of course, it is very important to listen to the announcements carefully and to also maintain a social distance in the queue while you are in the boarding process. Now, during the flight journey, it is important to follow the sanitization and hygiene protocol as advised by the aircraft. It is also important that all kind of non-essential movement must be avoided and face-to-face interactions must be minimized. It is also important to note that currently no items will be sold in the aisle in the aircraft, no meal service will be provided, and no newspaper and magazine will be available. And in case any of the passenger faces any health issues, then it must be immediately reported to the crew. Once you arrive at your destination city, it is again important to follow the protocol of social distance while you're in the disembarkation process, while you stay in the queue till the time you arrive at your gate, and also while you collect your baggage. And once you have collected your baggage and you're all set to leave the airport, it is recommended to use either authorized taxis or your own personal vehicle to leave the airport. Now, there are certain do's and don'ts which I would like to highlight and some points which you should definitely keep in your mind. It is important to wear a mask all throughout your journey and to also keep a social distance of at least 2 meters. In addition to this, using Aarogya Setu app is a must. In case you cannot use Aarogya Setu app, then please use a self-declaration form to certify your health status. And last but not the least, please use contactless digital payments if you go around the shops for retail shopping. You can also use HOI app, which is recommended by the Delhi Airports Authority, to initiate contactless payment of food item and to also keep a track of the real-time flight information. It is important to wear a mask all throughout your journey and to also keep a social distance of at least 2 meters. In addition to this, using Aarogya Setu app is a must. In case you cannot use Aarogya Setu app, then please use a self-declaration form to certify your health status. And last but not the least, please use contactless digital payments if you go around the shops for retail shopping. You can also use HOI app, which is recommended by the Delhi Airports Authority, to initiate contactless payment of food item and to also keep a track of the real-time flight information. To conclude the video, I would say we are definitely going through a new flying experience post the COVID-19 era, but all these measures and guidelines will definitely ensure safety of all the passengers. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy. Bye.